Unboxing FPV Flymore kit. 2 batteries and charger. Got the car charger. Got the DJI FPV. Been waiting all day for this bad boy. So hopefully not get thoroughly disappointed. So many things. This should be the goggles. We got the DJI Integra goggles. The drone itself. And that is a big nothing. So the controller should be in here. Love their packaging. Super clean, super high quality. Not a lot of people like these drones, but I really like DJI's products. Got a Mini 3 Pro, which is really nice. We've got the charging block and cord. This is the RC controller. I opted for this over the what is it called? The manual hand controller. A really high quality video game controller. And this is the bee's knees right here. But it's a lot heavier than the Mini 3 Pro. Mini 3 Pro's 249 grams, and this is almost 800. Looks like it came with the battery inside of it. This is a heavy drone. Down here we got papers. You need to make sure that I register this guy with the FAA because it's a new drone. Gimbal cover. Very important. Gimbal protected. This is my first FPV, so hopefully it's everything I'm expecting. I think I watched every video on YouTube that they had for this guy. Goggles. I got everything. These are the props. So the one thing that I'm not used to is not having something that's compact. So this isn't a guy that I can fold up every time that I fly it. Props are separate. I should have 2 packages of those. Here's the other package of spare props. The next thing I get is probably going to be a Pelican case of some sort to keep all this stuff organized and safe. And it looks like that's everything in the box. So I will have to give you guys an update when I get it all put together and charged and everything. Thank Beans, my camera lady. Thanks, Beans. And we will see you shortly.